Apple's headphones or AirPods are capable of far more than just playing music and taking calls, whether it's simple message advice or details about the durability of the pods themselves. Well, do you know all the complete features of your AirPods? In this video we will be showing you some features of your AirPods you did not know. The AirPods play audio in addition to having a built-in microphone that cancels out background noise, accelerometers, and optical sensors that can detect taps and pinches, for example, double tap or pinch to pause audio, and ear placement that enables automatic pausing of audio when they are removed. Well, with that you can see some more AirPods features below. 1. Locate and get directions to your AirPods when they're lost with the Find My app. If your AirPods are nearby, you can play a sound on your AirPods to help you locate them, set separation alerts to let you know if you've left them behind, and more. 2. Turn on noise cancellation with AirPods Pro, all generations, or AirPods Max to block external sounds, and when you need to hear the dog bark or kettle whistling, switch to transparency mode. 3. With just a tap or a press, pause and resume video playback, skip music tracks, activate Siri, and more picking up another device. 4. You can pair AirPods with your Apple devices to listen to music, movies, messages, and more. After you set up your AirPods with one Apple device, like your iPhone, your AirPods connect automatically to your other Apple devices where you're signed in with the same Apple ID. 5. FaceTime users can now connect in clear HD voice quality. Well, there are several other amazing features of the latest AirPods, but we did not put all of them here. Which you can make more researches on them like using the link below. And that is the end of this short video, and if it was helpful, leave something behind for us and we will give you more in our next videos to come.